Jai Shrimanarayana Nanigaru.
Jai Shrimanarayanamu.
This is summer. Can we learn something?
Yes, you can.
What is the main thing that one should learn?
Nice question, Amu. That is Mangala Shasanam. Doing Mangala Shasanam to the Lord, wishing His welfare is the ultimate purpose of a person.
Can you please teach me?
Sure, Amu. Mangala Shasanam is the one which one should do as part of his daily prayer. That is the last step of puja, essential part of it. Let us learn the Mangala Shasanam. There is a sequence. First we do Mangala Shasanam to Lord Sri Ranganatha, Lord of Seven Hills, Sri Venkateshwara Swami, Kanchi Varadaraja Swami, Melkota Sampath Kumara Swami, Puri Jagannatha Swami, Villiputtur Andal, Alvar Trinagari Sri Shatakopa, Bhagavad Ramanuja, Manavada Mamuni, Avaracharya, and the Vedic literature which describes about the glory of Lord. We do Mangalam to all of them in the sequence. First, Sri Ranganatha Mangalam. I say once, you repeat along with Amodita. Lakshmi Charana,
Lakshmi Charana,
Lakshanka,
Lakshanka,
Sakshi,
Sakshi,
Srivatsa Vakshase,
Srivatsa Vakshase,
Kshemankaraya,
Kshemankaraya,
Sarvesham,
Sarvesham,
Srirangeshaya,
Srirangeshaya,
Mangalam.
Mangalam. Lakshmi Charana Lakshanka, Sakshi Srivatsa Vakshase, Kshemam Karaya Sarvesham, Srirangeshaya Mangalam.
Mangala Shasanam to Lord of Seven Hills, Sri Venkateshwara. Shriyah Kantaya,
Shriyah Kantaya,
Kalyana,
Kalyana,
Nidhaye,
Nidhaye,
Nidhayerthinam,
Nidhayerthinam,
Sri Venkata,
Shri Venkata,
Nivasaya,
Nivasaya,
Srinivasaya,
Srinivasaya,
Mangalam.
Mangalam. Shriyah Kantaya, Kalyana Nidhaye, Nidhayerthinam, Shri Venkata Nivasaya, Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Now Mangala Shasanam to Devaraja or Kanchi Varadaraja Swami. Astu Sri Stana,
Astu Sri Stana,
Kasturi,
Kasturi,
Vasana,
Vasana,
Vasitorase,
Vasitorase,
Sri Hasti,
Sri Hasti,
Girinathaya,
Girinathaya,
Devarajaya,
Devarajaya,
Mangalam.
Mangalam. Astu Sri Stana, Kasturi, Vasana, Vasitorase, Sri Hasti Girinathaya, Devarajaya Mangalam.
Now Mangala Shasanam to Melkota Sampath Kumara Swami or Tirunarayana Perumal. Kamala Kucha,
Kamala Kucha,
Kasturi,
Kasturi,
Kardamankita,
Kartamankita,
Vakshase,
Vakshase,
Yadavadri,
Yadavadri,
Nivasaya,
Nivasaya,
Sampatputraya,
Sampatputraya,
Mangalam.
Mangalam. Kamala Kucha Kasturi, Kartamankita Vakshase, Yadavadri Nivasaya, Sampatputraya Mangalam.
Now Mangala Shasanam to Puri Jagannatha Perumal. Neelachala Nivasaya,
Neelachala Nivasaya,
Nityaya Paramatmane,
Nityaya Paramatmane,
Subhadra,
Subhadra,
Prananathaya,
Prananathaya,
Sri Jagannathaya,
Sri Jagannathaya,
Mangalam.
Mangalam. Neelachala Nivasaya, Nityaya Paramatmane, Subhadra Prananathaya, Sri Jagannathaya, Mangalam.
Now Mangala Shasanam to Sri Villiputtur Andal. Svochishta,
Svochishta,
Malika Bandha,
मालिका बन्ध
गन्धबन्धुर
गन्धबन्धुर
जिष्णवे
जिष्णवे
विष्णुचित्त
विष्णुचित्त
तनूजायै
तनूजायै
गोदायै
गोदायै
नित्यमङ्गलम्
नित्यमङ्गलम् स्वोच्छिष्टमालिका बन्ध गन्धबन्धुर जिष्णवे विष्णुचित्ततनूजायै गोदायै नित्यमङ्गलम्.
Now Mangalashasanam to Sri Nammalvar or Shatakopa. Srinagariyam
श्रीनगर्यां
Mahapuryam
महापुर्यां
Tamraparni
ताम्रपर्णि
Uttare Tate
उत्तरे तटे
Sri Tintrini
श्रीतिन्त्रिणी
Mooladhamne
मूलधाम्ने
Shatakopaya
शतकोपाय
Mangalam.
मङ्गलम्. श्रीनगर्यां महापुर्यां ताम्रपर्ण्युत्तरे तटे श्रीतिन्त्रिणी मूलधाम्ने शतकोपाय मङ्गलम्.
Now Mangalashasanam to Bhagavad Ramanuja. Sesho va
शेषो वा
Sainyanatho va
सैन्यनाथो वा
Shripatirveti
श्रीपतिर्वेति
सात्विकैः
सात्विकैः
वितर्क्याय
वितर्क्याय
महाप्राज्ञै
महाप्राज्ञै
भाष्यकाराय
भाष्यकाराय
मङ्गलम्.
मङ्गलम्. शेषो वा सैन्यनाथो वा श्रीपतिर्